Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play color trading. This exciting activity involves predicting which color will appear next in a sequence. It's often presented as a quick, online game with rounds lasting just 30 to 60 seconds. Players usually choose from a limited set of colors, commonly red, green, or sometimes violet, aiming to guess the correct outcome. It's a straightforward concept that many find engaging and easy to understand. Playing the color prediction game is quite simple. First, you'll select your desired color, such as red or green, and then choose an amount you wish to wager on that prediction. It's crucial to confirm your selection within the brief time window, usually around 30 seconds to 1 minute. If your chosen color matches the revealed color after the countdown, you win the round, often doubling your initial stake. Beyond simple prediction games, colors also play a role in financial markets. Here, green often signals a bullish market, indicating rising prices and potential buying opportunities. Conversely, red typically indicates a bearish market, signaling falling prices and selling pressure. Yellow might suggest caution or a sideways market. These color-coded indicators help traders quickly interpret complex market data and make faster decisions. When engaging in color trading, it's important to understand the specific rules of the platform you are using, as they can vary. It's always wise to start with modest wagers or practice on demo accounts to familiarize yourself with the game's mechanics without financial risk. Remember, many color prediction games are primarily based on chance, so approach them with caution and manage your expectations regarding consistent wins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.